everyone, today I will introduce a new type smart water pump for you. For this water pump we have three advantages. The first one it is quiet. This water pump, the decibel level is only 50 dB, but for the normal water pump it is always reach 75 to 85 dB, so it is very quiet. And the second advantage is energy saving. We ensure that the cost for the energy saving will reach the cost for this water pump value after 1 year use. And the final advantages is it is very intelligent. This pump has no water protection, over current protection, over pressure protection, and leak pressure protection, and stall protection, leakage protection, over temperature protection. This pump is very intelligent, so choose this pump is a good choice for you to pump in the water.